The Holy Quran, in its sequential order, begins with Surah Al-Fatiha, which is a chapter that is in the form of a dua. Surah Al-Fatiha, in its essence, is a dua where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaches you and I the proper way to speak to Him. And in this surah, we ask Allah Azza wa Jal for one thing. Usually when you and I, when we make dua, we have a laundry list of things that we want, that we believe are a priority. And in many cases, what we want is related to our dunya. It's related to our worldly comfort. But in Surah Al-Fatiha, Allah teaches us that there is something that if you are given it, you will enjoy your dunya and your akhirah. And that is hidayah. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. Allah wants us to understand that the single most important thing that you should seek, that you should pray for at every phase in your life is guidance. To be guided. So we make this dua, Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim.